In this video, we're going to have a look at the project staging color module. So this module's been created to give a consistent color to the different tasks in projects as they move through different stages. So let's say, for example, you've got a lot of tasks that have been worked on and you want to have a look at that in Gantt view, and you want to be able to tell immediately by the color what stage it's in, whether it's been in to do, whether it's in progress or whether it's completed. This is really handy for those situations where maybe as a manager you're running a lot of projects and you want to see where your staff are up to in terms of working through their tasks. So let's have a look at it. So if we go into our projects, we're going to create brand new projects. This is a brand new instance of Odoo. I'm going to call it party because that's convenient. And now I've got this project. So I'm going to create the first one, call it new stage, and then the next one I'm going to call work in progress. And then I'm going to do another one. Do another one or two. Maybe I'll just do one. I'll do one. Done. So, and now what we can do is if we go into edit mode, and we can actually set a color on this. So I might set everything that's in new as being maybe blue. And then for tasks in the work in progress, I'm going to say they're going to be maybe an orange color. And then the ones in done, I'm going to set to maybe a green. Save that. So now let's create a task. So I'll call it task 1. Okay, task, can't spell, 2, and task 3. Okay, you notice they immediately adopt the color of the stage they're in. So let's just double check that. We set that to that blue color, and these have already adopted the blue. And if I take task, let's say 2, I'll put in progress, it changes the color to that orange color. I think we made it orange, did we? Yep, so that orange color. And then I'll drop number 3, task 3, into done, which is adopted the green color. So whilst it's fairly apparent what stage they're in here in this Kanban view, if we move across in the list view, I've got the color stages here as well. So I know immediately, not only do I have the stage name there, but I've also got the color scheme here as well. And then move into Gantt, and we don't see anything because we haven't set any dates on the task yet. So let me add these in. So, oops, I'll right click on, do left click. I'm going to select all of them and add them to the Gantt. And now green, orange, and blue. So we know that straight away that anything that's blue is in new, anything that's in orange is a work in progress, and everything in green is a done. So that works out. Let's go to the calendar view, and we can see the same thing here. Anything blue is, I should really set the dates on this. Maybe I'll do that. Let me go back to, I'll open up one of these, edit. I'm going to start this, today is that date. I'm going to start this at, let's say, 5 AM. Apply that. And then I'm going to finish it today at, let's say, 7 AM. Apply that. Save. Now the orange one, I'll edit that. I'm going to do this today at, well, when did we finish the last one? I think it was, let's do this, we'll start this at 9 and we'll end it at, let's say 11. Apply that, save. And now the green one, we'll edit that. So rather than having these as all day events, I'm going to start that at 12 and finish it at maybe 2, save. Okay, so this is a little bit easier to see now, and let me, oops, Let me drag this down a little bit. Maybe I'll stick that here. There. Okay, so it's a little bit nice to see now in the calendar view by having them only as 2 hour tasks rather than on the one day, rather than having them be the full day tasks, which is the default when you add them via the Kanban, by the Gantt view. But as you can see now, we can tell fairly straight away by the look of the colour as to where each one of these tasks are up to. And so that's the purpose of this little module, is to make it really easy to understand where your task's up to based on the colour. And it's particularly useful in both Gantt and the calendar views, where it really makes an impact. And you can imagine if you've got 20 staff and you're trying to manage maybe 30-40 jobs every day, these colours in the Gantt view can really make it really easy to see exactly where people are up to. So this administrator guy is obviously finished task 3, and maybe I should have set the times a bit differently, but finished task 3, is working on task 2 and has not started task 1 yet. So I hope that'll make sense, and I will see you in the next video.